Hi there, it's Ross. I'm a product support specialist at Duffel, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the dashboard. The dashboard is a powerful tool that you can use to manage your account, search and book flights, manage your orders, view and top up your balance, and more. So let's hop in. Okay, we're in. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a cancellation to an order. Navigate to Orders. Find and select the order you wish to cancel. Navigate to manage this order. Select cancellation quote. OK. Here we can see the refund amount is £140.56. Let's go ahead and confirm. Great. You've now learned how to successfully cancel an order. Thanks for watching.